This is my latest version of motor that can be installed inside a car. This is my this is the same of its kind. It will be a high voltage motor. A big difference, a big voltage difference from my existing motor installed in my car. I improve a lot of this, and I believe this will run without discharging the battery, and can even power a dynamo to become an electric generator. It's more than 7,000 volts. Look, my capacitor is quite big, and several capacitor that will power up the rotor. You can see there is some. Maybe I can show you. No, it's difficult to see. It's inside the rotor. Anyway, this will be our next motor that will be installed, or improvement of an electric car, and later on will become a genset. Hopefully, this was featured in the Channel 2 national television.